What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Today, on Rose's activity, Rose's peer band uploaded her cute photos and video clips yesterday together with her friend Ali Bunny Ruth. Rose's peer band is went to the place where she can ride a horse and release his stress lately. Rosaya captioned it, either Alexis is annoying or love, and they commented to the post and answered quickly that Alexis is a horsey. Many fans liked the post and screaming that they are okay after the busy days and not together in public. And today, Dadak Gimiya was in the newspaper regarding his new musical event with a Thailand girl who is very popular not only in Thailand but also in abroad. To assure that Urasaya was very proud of her boyfriend Nadek as Nadek got the role in musical play.